Wagwan everybody, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a wig, and I'm also going to be doing highlights, lowlights without no box dye or toner. So here what now, we're going to jump right into the video. First you're going to need a closure or a frontal, and I'm using a closure for this, a 4x4, and 3 bundles of water wave with a spandex dome cap, T-pins to hold the closure down so it doesn't move. I'm going to start from right here and work my way to the front, then around. After sewing down the closure, try and fit it on your head first before you go ahead and sew on the bundles. Just in case it doesn't fit your head the right way, you can correct it. I'm sewing down the bundles, right, and I'm giving it 2 knots at each side for a more secure base, and this will also give you a more neater finishing look. So I know you want that, so why not do it? So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and sew all the bundles, and only sew the fabric and not the elastic, because if you go ahead and sew the elastic, it won't fit your head. And this is the wig, and since I'm finished sewing down the bundles, I will be going ahead and get rid of that excess fabric from underneath the closure. So go ahead, get rid of it, and also at the front you're gonna cut off the lace in a zigzag motion. And these 3 lines that you're seeing on the canvas is gonna guide me while I bleach the front. Now I'm gonna be using a volume 30 and a quick glue powder. Prepping the hair by combing it out so you don't have any tangling while bleaching it, and also section it, key, section it so you know it won't slow your process while you're bleaching the hair. So when applying bleach, you don't just want to put it on it and leave it like that. No, try to feather it in so it have a smooth transition. Use the foil to incubate, and this is going to keep in the heat and processing the hair more faster and providing a cleaner lift. And guys, prepare your foil so that it doesn't slow you down, and also wear gloves, because you know when you're dealing with chemical and once that gets on your hands or on your clothes, trouble. So we're trying to prevent certain things from happening. Saturate the hair top and bottom so that it don't have any demarcation. And I also check on the hair because I don't want it to be over processed and looking fried. No. Bear this in mind, the hair will process within 30 minutes to an hour, and the longer the bleach stays in the hair, the weaker they will both get. And I will be watching it to see if that's the color I'm going for. But to be on the safer side, you can get a towel and wipe it off or rinse it out with water, because that's when you will really see the true color. Now I'm at the front and I'm giving it a parka straight across, which is a 1 inch, and this is where the more detail is at, right? So you're trying to get it even so it can be versatile. I can part it in the middle or the side and it will still be looking good, so just work on feathering it out. Bleaching your hair tends to get brassy, so to cancel that out, because remember guys, we're not using any box dye or any toner, so you have to use some form of purple shampoo or blue. Blue can work as well. I will be going back in to do different dimensions of highlights and lowlights, so that's what I'm doing right here. Bleaching the knots on the closure and neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleach, and the the Shimmery Light shampoo to cancel out any orange or yellow tone. A stocking cap, and I'm gonna be cutting off the double fabric, and as you can see it stretches a lot, so I'm only gonna use this amount, and I'm gonna be sewing it right where I cut off the extra spandex dome cap and replace it with a stocking cap. Guys, if you find a stocking cap that matches your complexion, using a makeup will be optional. And I will be sewing it twice. Yes. Right here I'm showing you how it looks without the stocking cap and with the stocking cap. And this is how it looks with the stocking cap being on it. You see that? There's a big difference. Alright, now so I'm here looking at it now, but like, you know, I'm not really feeling it, like to just leave it like this. And I'm like, what should I do? So I'll be like, you know, I think I need to just straighten the hair out. So I got the tail comb and press it out, and I'll be like, I think I'm getting somewhere. All tight. So now I'm here just going in it and just flat iron it out. Cutting down my baby hair, and I'm not going to be doing any plucking because it already have a realistic look, but if your closure not giving you that natural look, well, I'm sorry, but get to work. In my opinion, still, closure is not high maintenance, and if you make a wig with a closure and it's your right head size, all you would need is a wig comb, and you can sew that in, or you use a bobbin pin to secure it in your braids. So I'm getting rid of the struggle ends right here, using the narrow bit to control my flyaways and molding my baby hair, and also using the pressing comb to lay the top. Guys, it is free to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Free of cost. Anyway, all the products that I use will be listed down below, and the rest of the video is self-explanatory. So here later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Your man I say you are the best gift. Your body well cock up on your breast stiff. You a pass man I get stiff. Me shock when me see you electric. Plastic baby, still love you my plastic baby. Plastic baby, you not stretch like elastic baby. Plastic baby, still love you my plastic baby.